Welcome to Linux lecture. In this lecture we are going to see Linux basic command. So in that basic command we are going to run some of the command on the command prompt. We'll see how that command will work. Okay, so let's watch the lecture and give your feedback. So the next topic is Linux basic command. So before going to the Linux basic command, we'll see what is the command prompt. So for that we are coming in the terminal. So this is my Mac terminal. So let me how to open the terminal. If you are using the Mac terminal, then you can you have to open the terminal. Yeah, if you are using the ubuntu system, then you can open the ubuntu terminal. Okay, so it's a very simple, it's a not big deal. Okay, this is my Mac terminal. So inside that I am going to talk about what is the command prompt. Okay, so as you can see here, so yeah, as you can see here, this is the username, and this is the your system name. Okay, so whatever you can see here, tilt is the command prompt, and whatever you see the percentage is the present working directory. Okay, so come back to my note. So like as I mentioned here, you can see Balmiki, this one is my username, and whatever the @ and Balmiki something comes, this one is called the my system name. Okay, and this tilt is called the command prompt, and whatever the percentage, it will call the present working directory. So we are moving to the basic command. So first command is the ls. Okay, so as of now yeah, I wrote this. Okay, no issue. So first one is the ls command. So what is the ls command? Ls command will give you the list of file in the present working directory. So whatever the present directory is there, present working directory, it will give all the files. So let's see. Okay, so yeah, ls, it will give the list of all the file in the present working directory. This is called the present working directory. Inside the present working directory, what are the files are there, it will give to the files name. So you can see here, these all are file and repository. Okay, so the next command is that, what is the next command? Next command is the pwd. So whatever I hit here in present working directory, so this I will go to the next command. Next command is the pwd, present working directory. So what the meaning of the present working directory? So if you hit the pwd command, then it will give you the path of your present working directory. You can see I am right now user and Balmiki. So user / and Balmiki, this is my present working directory. Okay, now I'm come back to the cd command is the change directory. So what the meaning of change directory? So let's see here. Suppose I want to go with, see, right now I am in this directory. Okay, just I have to enter pwd. I am right now in the Balmiki Mandal directory. In this directory, this all directory are there. So just I want to go on this directory. So how we go? So cd change directory and directory name Raj. Okay, then you can see pwd, which directory you are, present working directory. This one is the Raj. So previously where I am, means like in here, now I am here. So this change cd means change the directory, and which directory you want to go, you have to put the name Raj. Okay, now the next command is the mkdir, means create new directory. So how you can create? Just I have to come back, like yes, I have to come back. So don't means think about what is this now. So I will tell you what is this. Okay, cd, come back. Cd means change the directory, and this is the path where you want to come back. So means like I'm coming back. Okay, so you can see ls is my previous directory, whatever I have here. Okay, so now mkdir for the making the directory. If you want to make the directory, then you can do the mkdir. Now I am going to make the directory is called Shubham, shubham, sorry, shubham, Shubham. Okay, now ls Shubham will come somewhere. Yeah, you can see Shubham. Okay, so mkdir for the making the directory. Now we are going to the next one, move or rename file. So mb command is for move or rename the file. So let me clear all of the screen. mb. So move or rename the file. Suppose I have lots of files, I want to rename this file. Okay, rename this file to Raj1. Okay, so let's rename. So mb. So what is the file name? Source Raj, and I am going to put the Raj1. Okay, so now you can see my file become to the Raj1. Previously my file is the Raj1. So mb means move here, rename. So whatever the content on the Raj, so that one is moved to the Raj1. So that's why it's called now Raj1. Okay. Now next command is the cp, copy file. So what the meaning of copy file? cp. Okay, suppose in the Raj1, sorry, I am here, I am going to just I want to go on the Raj1. So cd Raj1. Okay, so just check on the Raj1 if any files are there. Okay, yeah, Saurabh and Subham, 2 files are there. Okay. Okay, we are going to create 2 more files also. vi program 1.txt. Inside this file I am going to write something. This is first file. Okay, this is first file, and now I am going to create second program 2.txt. okay, this is second file. Okay, fine. Now ls, now I have 2 text file and 2 files, normal file, the folders are there. Okay, so now I am going to the command is, what is the command? Command is the copy file. Okay, so copy file. So whatever the in this file the content are there, I will going to copy this content on this file. So first we'll see what are the content are there. So how to see? Cat program 1.txt. you can see in the program 1, this is first file will be there. Okay, what cat and program 2.txt. in second one, this is the second file is there. Okay, now I am copy cp. I am going to copy this I am copy this file to this file. Okay, give the source file. What is the source file name? Program 1.txt, and destination file. What is the destination file? Program 2.txt. okay, whatever the content on this file, this will go to copy on this one. So means you mean this one comes to here. You can see I hit in the copy cp first file name and second file name. Now I am going to see cat program 2.txt. No, it will come on the program 1 only. No, it will come on the program 1. Sorry. Yeah, program 1. Oh yeah, it's correct only. Sorry, it's correct only. If you see here on the program 2, in the program 2 I am writing what? This is the second file, if you see here. But here you can see when I open the program, means when I print the content of program 2 file, it will the first this is the first file. So where is the first file? Here is the first file. So which folder? Second one. Okay, sorry, here here second one, here is the first file. Okay, now it will be changed to the first one. Okay, so in the same way you can copy the file. Okay, cp. Now rm, delete the file. If you want to delete the file, so how you can delete? Right now how many files we have? We have 4 files. We are going to delete to this text file. Okay, so rm program 1.txt. if you see here, this one is deleted. Okay, so just clear the screen, ls. So you can see this one is deleted. Okay, now I am going to now I am going to remove the second one. 2, you can see our second one also removed. Now I move to this rmdir. If you want to remove the directory, then you can do the rmdir. Okay, so how you can remove the directory? So just I have to come back, so just check which directory is the so I am going to remove this ras2 directors, ras2 directory. So how you can do? rmdir raj yes, raj2. Okay, then you can see ras2 I am going to delete. So here is the ras2. When I click ls, you see ras2 is not there. Okay, ras1 is there, but ras2 is not there. So you can delete the our directory. So cat, as before I said, what is the cat? Whatever the content inside your file, so it will print on your monitor. Okay, so just I will show to you. I am making one file. So I am making one text file, program 1.c. okay, so inside this file I am going to write, this is the first program of the year. Okay, this is the first program of the year. So if you want to print that one to here, then you can do cat program 1.c. so whatever I write on that file, so this one comes to here. So cat command is for printing the content on the your screen. Okay, so now is the clear. So how clear, clear. So how you can clear your full screen? So it's very simple. You can type clear, clear. It will clear your full screen. And one more thing, you have to control and L. So control L, it will clear all the full screen. As I mentioned here, control L. You can follow the same. Okay. Now main command, display command manual. Suppose I want to check the manual of printf function. How you can check? Man printf. So it will give the all the manual about the printf, descriptions about the printf functions. Okay, the same way you can do also. Okay. Now last is the sudo command. What is the sudo command? Execute command with the root privilege user. So sudo means if you are the sudo user, then you have all the privilege kind of, and you have all the access kind of. So how you will be get? Like you have to type sudo as you have to hit the enter, then you have to add the password sm. So whatever the password you have. Okay, so password is wrong. Yeah, here right now I am in the sudo user. Now I have all the permissions. Okay, so like that, this is the basic command. You can make the note also. So if you are not remember, then you can replay the video also. And here's the command. And one more thing also, a note: command are always in smaller letter. Command are always in smaller letter, not capital letter. Okay.